open roads beneath our wheels, horizons calling, spirit feels the promise of adventure's light, guided by a faith so bright. Cruising with purpose, sailing free, discovering wonders, you and me. Easy dream adventures, faith our guide, God's love surrounding us worldwide.
We're retired and traveling full-time in our RV. We're not wealthy, we're not famous, we're not influencers. We're just two people living simply, trusting God, discovering the beauty of this country, and living life one adventure at a time. We live primarily on Social Security, slow down more than we used to, and try to enjoy the blessings in front of us instead of chasing the next thing. This series of episodes is about retirement, RV life, faith, and discovering that the dream doesn't have to be complicated. If you're wondering what retirement could look like, if you love travel, simple living, and God's creation, we'd love to have you along for the journey.
Down these open roads, sunrise on the dash. Mountains rise and rivers flow, moments made to last. Every mile a blessing, every stop a gift to see. His creation all around us, setting hearts so free. Oh, we go where he leads, with faith as our guide, trusting every turn, with him by our side. We wander in his wonders, chasing skies so wide and blue. Through the valleys and the mountains, he makes all things new. Every star that lights our journey, every sunrise breaking through. We wander in his wonders, Lord, we're walking close to you. Campfire sparkle like praise, sweet grace in every breeze. Churches on the highways, worship on the trees. People that we meet,